I interviewed ChatGPT like I would a software engineer, and it did really well. ChatGPT is a tool that we're all learning to use together, and one thing that you have to keep in mind when you're using ChatGPT is how to prime your prompts so you get the appropriate response back. If you want a really good solution out of ChatGPT, make sure you ask it to act as an expert something. Also, in the prompt itself, make sure you tell ChatGPT exactly what you want. Since I am interviewing ChatGPT like I would a software engineering job applicant, I have asked it to not just give me a solution, but a step-by-step explanation of how it arrived at the solution. And very similar to what's expected of an actual interviewee at a software engineering job interview, I've asked it to test out its solution with a sample input. I have asked the interviewee, or ChatGPT in this case, to offer me the time and space complexity of the solution that it's giving me. And lastly, I want it to give me ways to make its solution more optimized. I've asked ChatGPT to solve the do-sum problem on LeetCode, which is arguably a very easy problem. So it's no surprise that it was able to solve that really quickly. And also it gave me not just an explanation of the approach after the fact, but also inline descriptions of why it's doing things a certain way. It gave me a satisfactory answer when coming up with the time and space complexity of the solution, but it actually made a mistake when offering an optimization. It assumed that by using a set instead of a dictionary, we could be bringing down the space complexity to O of 1, which was straight up wrong. So when I pointed out the mistake, it owned up to its mistake and offered an alternative.